Today I'm working on this 2002 Tarago. It's an ACR 30 model, and all these door rubbers here and here, I've already replaced them in here. They're like cushions. It cushions up against here and also here. They're falling apart. So I've got an example of a new one and one that I've already taken out, or an old one that's fallen out. And they used to be split in the middle and they just busted off, but the new ones have been updated. They're like a different design and they've still got hooks on the edges of them, but they're one piece and they fit in a lot better. So that's what this one is here, and this one here, and that one's an old one right now, but I'm going to leave it in there because it still feels really tight.
Can you show like both to compare?
And then this edge looks the same, right?
Okay. Yep.
These are a little bit fatter. I'm going to see whether this door shuts now, because this door had problems shutting before. Still shuts. And what was happening, you can see here too, when they wear out, they start hitting on the paint here and also here. On the other door is a better example because you can really see where it was hitting. Right here and right here is where it's hitting the front door, and I can kind of see where the rubbers are there. They're tied up against the there. So let me try and open this door. And this one's got all new, so that's where they're hitting there, and then the new one's down there, but this is where they are in the door. These are all new. That one's new. That one's new.
This one you already replaced,
yeah.
right? Just
These are ones already replaced. They just push in.
How you feel after it's put in? Good?
I feel the door shuts softer, but it's still, this hinge is bad. And this hinge is $200. And I'm not ready to replace it yet. But it doesn't look too hard to replace. There's only 3 bolts on it, and then it tilts up and out. So I think I could replace it very easily, but it's just a matter of paying $200. One of the bearings in here is wasted. So sounds better, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But right here is where it's scratching the body because that hinge is wasted. This concludes my video for today. This is kind of an update on this model. It's probably another 6 months since I did an update before. We replaced the engine mount, the upper engine mount, all dried out, and it was moving around, so we had to replace that arm with the rubbers in it. And we did replace the cabin filter again. So that was about it. That's the end of my video. Please like and subscribe.